everyone. In this video, I am going to take you through this 2 BHK apartment renovation project which is located in JP Nagar, Bangalore. Welcome to our channel Coucal Interiors Bangalore. Regarding the scope of this project, common area bathroom remodeling, master bedroom bathroom renovation and interior elements such as the puja unit, kitchen loft, crockery unit, wardrobe loft, minimalist fall ceiling and full house painting. I will be explained one by one. This is a newly remodeled common bathroom. How it was before remodeling. The floor mounted commode was in this corner. The wash basin was in this corner. The wall mixer tap was here. In bathroom remodeling, we changed the layout and design. We replaced it with existing fixtures while changing the layout. Point is shifted from here to here. This is because when we open the bathroom door, commode should not be visible from outside. The entire plumbing renovation was done by our skilled plumbing team. Necessary electrical renovation were done to create new light points, geyser points and other required electrical points. Known as anti-skid tiles, the vitrified wall tiles are laid up to the ceiling with horizontal space joint and vertical paper joint from the brand Kajaria. A single piece commode is installed, include an overhead shower, wall mixer tap from the brand Jaguar. Here we provided UPVC window for ventilation with an exhaust fan. This is a newly remodeled bathroom in master bedroom. Let's take a look at how it was before. Bathroom renovation, we replaced the floor mounted commode with a wall mounted one. The WC known as flush tank concealed in the ledge wall and provided vanity cabinet. The other updates are similar to the common bathroom remodeled. For more videos on end-to-end old home renovation, house structural renovation and interior design, please subscribe our channel Coucal Interiors Bangalore. Thank you.